In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Galatea app. If you are experiencing any issues with the app, maybe the app is not opening, it is too slow, it's not functioning, or it even keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, there are quite a number of methods you can use. In the first method, we shall access the app info page by just long pressing on it and then going to app info. If you don't see this app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on it to access the app info page. Alternatively, you can access the app info page through settings. So from here, we need to go ahead and first clear the app data. So if I go down here, you can see we have a clear data option. But if I go to storage, you should be able to see a breakdown of data stored by this app. The important is this cache data. You can see currently I have 17.72 MBs that have been collected and stored by this app. And these files are just to enhance user experience. So to fix this, we need to clear this data by just tapping on clear data down here and choose the second option, clear cache, and finally OK. And you can see now that cache data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open your app, and this should have fixed any issues with your app. However, should this not work, then you need to go ahead and come again to the app info page, tap on clear data, and this time around choose clear all data. Now at this point, everything should be okay. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then go to Play Store or App Store and search for your app to see if we have any update. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Galatea book and audiobooks app. Update it to the latest version. Now, in most cases, this should be okay and your app should be working. However, if you still experience any challenge such as the app crashing constantly, then for that, you need to go ahead and uninstall the app and then install it afresh. So by using any of these methods, now your app should be up and running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.